understandable. It is only normal for you to feel that way. But remember, it is courageous for you to tell your story. Shall we continue to the interview? Okay, no.
Good morning, Sarah. So thank you for joining me today. So Sarah, can you start by telling me us a bit of your journey with substance use disorder?
Sure, ma'am. Nag-start po kasi na nung tinatry kong mag-fit in sa mga friends ko kasi syempre akala ko sa dumating sa point na hindi ko na siya nakakontrol.
A substance use disorder can start subtly, but as time goes by, it can increase abruptly and become uncontrollable. A substance use disorder is a complex condition in which is characterized by a compulsive drug use. Despite the harmful side effects that it may cause, it affects the brain's functioning and behavior, in which later on would cause an inability to control the drug usage.
So Sarah, ano ba yung mga challenges na pinaharap mo while struggling with this particular condition?
The isolation was tough, and it felt like I was alone in this battle, even though I had people who cared about me. And yung guilt, it's overwhelming.
Uy, Sarah! Long time no see. Kamusta ka na? Okay ka lang ba?
Ito, nahihirapan kasi nag-release ko naman, tapos nagiging intense.
Ano ka ba? Okay lang yan. Nasa process ka pa. So, nanggaling din naman ako dyan, but
Withdrawal is really the hardest part, but I know you can get well.
okay lang yan, Sarah. Pag kailangan mo, nandito lang kami. Kaya mo yan? Ano ka ba?
Wait, I think I need some air.
So, guilt and shame are emotions that are experienced by the patients with substance use disorder. So, it is normal and it is important to be addressed as a part of the recovery process.
Uy, Sarah, naalala mo yung party natin, yung sobrang wild?
Oo, naalala ko nga. Diyan kasi nag-start lahat maging out of control.
Huy, Miguel, huwag mo na ipaalala.
Baka titrigger si Sarah.
Sorry. Oo nga pala.
Okay lang yun. Mahirap lang talaga balikan yung mga alaalang ayaw mo na balikan.
So, the treatment for this condition includes a combination of therapies, medications, and support groups. So, the cognitive behavioral therapy is significantly effective in helping individuals in identifying and changing their destructive patterns of behavior and thinking.
So Sarah, can you tell us about your turning point in your journey towards recovery?
Hitting rock bottom was my turning point. Na-realize ko na hindi ko na kaya bumalik sa ganung buhay ko noon. And seeking help was the best decision na nagawa ko para sa sarili.
Good to see you here now, Sarah. So, how are you feeling now?
A bit better thanks to my friends. Pero yung cravings andun.
It's good to have plans on managing your triggers. So, let's talk about your coping mechanisms. Deep breathing exercises and mindfulness can help manage immediate cravings. So now let's first practice a deep breathing exercise. Breathe in. Breathe out. Another effective strategy that would help you is by keeping a journal. Writing down your feelings and triggers will help you identify your possible coping strategies.
Okay, Doc, I'll try that. Writing has always been therapeutic.
And remember, staying connected with your support network is very crucial. Lean on your friends, attend support groups, and never ever hesitate to ask for a professional help.
Sarah, these symptoms might be tough, but you're doing great. Medications can help ease the withdrawal effects.
Thank you, it's just so hard.
Withdrawal is a challenging phase, and it's temporary. But don't worry, you're closer to recovery.
We are here for you, Sarah. Always remember that you are not alone in this.
Sarah, alam mo nung una, nag-aalangan pa ako sa kaya mo. Pero nung nakikita kitang lumalaban ka, naniniwala naman ako kaya.
Salamat, Tina. Sobrang laking bagay ng support mo sa akin.
Alam niyo guys, kaya natin to. Kakayanin natin. Okay?
Hindi ako susuko, kaya natin to. Actually, it takes a huge courage to ask for help, but it is the first step towards reclaiming your life.
So it's inspiring kasi Sarah to see your progress besides this condition. So any final thought for our audience?
Don't be afraid to seek help because you're stronger than you think you are.
Recovery is possible with the right support and treatment. We must never lose hope.